What's up YouTube? This video is gonna be on the Jordan 5. The Jordan 5. Stick around.
Your tracks today.
Status dive, man, I got a lot of shit that's on my mind. Trying to find the perfect way to say goodbye.
Okay, so how do I feel about these shoes? These shoes are the bomb.com. These are my first ever Jordans, and they are pretty dope. I'm not gonna keep them. I kind of bought them. Let me be honest with you. I kind of bought them for to resell. I thought the resale value was gonna be way more, but as I look at it right now, it's like $10 more or like what? Probably like $30 more maybe that I doubt I'm gonna get. But yeah, I bought them for $220, $225, something like that, $230 plus tax and all that stuff. And they're cool shoes. But $200 for shoes, I've never spent that much on shoes ever. The only shoes that I think I would spend that much on is probably the Black Cats, the Jordan 5 Black Cats. Only Jordans that I would like probably splurge on. The Black Cats, those are nice. All black shoes. But yeah, look at them. They're nice. They're pretty. So since these are technically my first Jordans, I say technically because I did buy a pair of Jordans from Goodwill to resell on eBay, but that's just for reselling. Those are not personally mine. So much detail in the shoe, so much detail. You got a thick tongue. Like these shoes, I feel like you can ball. Like you can cop them from the store and go straight to balling. Like obviously they're basketball shoes, but like most people wear them for like fashion and stuff like that. But like these feel rigid. They feel like you can ball somebody up in them. That's what I'm saying. They just feel tight. They feel good. They're comfortable. What else? They got a whole bunch of collabs in the shoe. A whole bunch of shoes that they put together, and a whole bunch of colorways that they put on the shoe. I don't know them all. I'm not really a Jordan person, or like I'm not really like I'm not a sneakerhead really. I just like shoes. If I like them, I buy them really. And yeah. So yeah, these shoes are whatever. I'd probably give them a solid 9. They're dope. They're cool. Would I keep them? Yeah, I would keep them, but they're not really easy to like match with, and they're not my favorite Jordans. My favorite Jordans, the Black Cats, like I said earlier. And yeah, dope shoes. If you want to pick them up, resale value's not too high, so get to it. But yeah. That's only my opinions about my first Jordans. They're not bad. They're cool. I like them. Jordans go hard. They're cool. I'm gonna see. I like collabs more, so hopefully I can pick something up that's spicy. But yeah, thanks for watching. The next clips are gonna be on feet and yeah, I tried to put a fit in here, but I can't dress, man. I can't dress. Can't dress. I'm kidding, but yeah. Enjoy the rest of the video. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and all that good stuff. And yeah.
I've been feeling real lonely with the company I got. Hey, all these drugs, they help a lot. Hey, I've been feeling real lonely with the company I got. Hey, all these drugs, they help a lot. Hey, I'ma just throw my life away. Hey, I'ma just throw my life away. Hey, lately I've been feeling real lazy. I just wanna smoke weed. I just wanna smoke. Get into my time to go. It's my time to go. I don't know when to quit. I just wanna go, man. I just wanna go. I've been feeling real lonely with the company I got. Hey, all these drugs, they help a lot. Hey, I've been feeling real lonely with the Hey, all these drugs, they help a lot. Hey, I've been feeling real lonely with the company I got. Hey, all these drugs, they help a lot. Hey.
This is crazy, man. Feel like a little baby, man. Honestly. Check it. I open up my glove box and then I grab my stick. It's a flintlock, kid. You better stay back before you get knocked, kid. Big old blicky, that's a big old stick. I'm moving too nasty, moving too trashy. Had to get my money, put it in a baggie, just to keep a clear view of how my stack be. I speak heaven melodies, and never catch me capping. Jesus, Lord, save me, don't let me go savage. I want a two-toe patty, watch me make it happen. Double back with prayer, blessings from my Savior. Blessings from my Savior. So much money on me, call me Mr. Capital. My wealth is stackable, my mind unhackable. Devil can't move me, he said come tackle him. They had me rolling, just like back a gun. Every angle, I'ma be in it. Too high to see limits. If they can do it, I can do it too. ×2, I'm on the move. But watch me flip my life around, Jackie Chan. Yeah, Kung Fu. Like and subscribe.